Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, and then we'll end it with Solana at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USDT. Here we are. We've been moving sideways. Right, let me just click the weekly. Yeah, yes sir, yes sir. 2 weeks ago we had DOGEs, right? Sort of long-legged DOGEs. Last week, something like a doji as well, something like a spinning top, you would call it. Now we're starting another new week, so it's like, bro, what's happening? What's happening? Yeah, we're actually in a consolidation. The expectation is that Bitcoin is going to continue higher, right? Because this was a very bullish move. So usually, when the trend is bullish, we continue with our bullish bias. We're above the skinny pink line, so we remain with our bullish bias. The only thing is that there's just not much high quality, clear continuation chart pattern for Bitcoin at this point of time. Our assumption is that things are very volatile right now, right? It could zip up and zip down, at any excuse me, at any time. It could just start, moving erratically. So we are aware that there is some unpredictability about Bitcoin at this point of time, right? We could zip up a little bit, take out the stops over here, and we could still zip back down, take up all the stops over here, and zip up again, and down again, and up again. Yeah, but our eventual expectation is that for Bitcoin to continue higher, right? There is a noisy area over here at 38,000. Not too sure if you're going to be just one straight line up, or because at the same time this is also a higher high, right? Just marginally higher high. So there's also a danger that we could see a reversal, right? If we spot, let's say for example, maybe a head and shoulders, then this could be a reversal back down. But again, there's no bearish reversal. If anything, continuation towards the upside. Ethereum, yes sir, let's look at Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. We've hit our targets over here, 0.06. We've had this target together with 0.055 way back in February. And we still have another target left over here, 0.055. Even if we do hit lower, I fear that things may not hold and we may just, zip down. Again, we're not entirely sure. We're still marking around the skinny pink line. So there's still that possibility that Ethereum could hit higher, right? So our expectation is for Ethereum to form a very large ABCDE before really truly breaking out, right? And Ethereum, in my opinion, if Ethereum does this, Ethereum will shine, very likely will shine in 2028 for the next halving. So this halving might be a different kind of a halving for Ethereum. I mean, as in Bitcoin halving, the way it affects Ethereum. Again, we're still not entirely sure. If we were to hit 0.055, we're going dangerously close to the skinny pink line, and we could be forming mountain ranges and heading lower for FBDC. Our hope is that we are wrong. We don't hit target number 2. We start zipping back up, and then we complete an ABCD as well over here, right? A symmetrical or an ascending of sorts, something like that, right? We should be able to count valleys, right? Valley 1, Valley 2, Valley 3, boom, we hit higher for FBDC. This would be the best bullish case scenario, but we don't see it yet, so we're not going to be rushing into anything, right? But yeah, with the way it is moving, it feels like a break higher for Ethereum BTC, right? Potentially, but we still have our targets, so we remain loyal to our targets for FBDC. FUSDT. Here we are again. FUSDT. We have 3 targets, 2 towards the upside and 1 towards the downside. 666 was the target that we got way back in September. We are still loyal to our targets at 666, but we're also aware that the current development, right, could start turning bullish by maintaining its equilibrium over here, right, consolidating a little bit longer and then pump. We could still continue higher, right? Because we're already above the skinny pink line. So if anything, we should be switching our bias to bullish. The only thing is the moves have been weak for Ethereum. Very weak moves. So we're like, really? Yeah, it's very weak. Very weak. Okay, if we click the eye, right, you'll be able to see that Ethereum is also kind of curving back down, right? If Ethereum doesn't hold and continues to come back down, this whole thing could become a descending. And ETH could head lower. and we could get a head and shoulders. You see that? Do you see that? This is dangerous. So again, we're not entirely sure. We are aware that this is a higher high. We don't really like just marginally higher highs. It's potentially a reversal. I don't know. I can't say for sure. The rallies have been very weak. You know, we want to see this kind of rallies. Woo! Right. This is not woo. This is It's just not really that. It's lackluster, I would say. And moreover, you can also pull a very nice support line across. So it's like, bro, it's not good, bro. It's like a rising channel, and your rising channels usually break lower. You see that? This has been very weak, right? At what point will we consider this as invalidated? Yeah, hit target number 2 towards the upside. Hit 3,000, hit 3,007. That's it. We consider this as invalidated, right? We will be late, but we will be sure that Ethereum is heading higher, and we would have targets towards 10,000 if that happens. But again, we don't have it yet, so we're not gonna rush into start to set $10,000 targets. But I would expect us to continue higher, right? Eventually, even if we do drop lower, I would still expect Ethereum to hit 10,000 by the year 2030. More likely than not, right? Of course, we could be wrong, right? And Ethereum could drop to 0. Of course, no guarantees, but I expect Ethereum to do really, really well eventually. The only thing is, are we still gonna hit 666 to 666, or are we just gonna start zipping back up? So we want to have surety before we make a move for Ethereum. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. Okay, one thing I like about BNB's move is that we have not stopped to make a rally, right? And to complete maybe a right shoulder, left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. This would be a brutal fall for BNB BTC. But we just kept zipping down. This is good. Down, down, down. Take out all of these lows, right? Just keep zipping down. This would be great, and this would be potentially the completion of a wave A. You see this? A, B, C, D, E. Something like that, right? But we are already severely oversold, and I would anticipate us to see a strong rally eventually. But it would be great, bullish-wise would be great if we just take out these 2 lows first before starting a reversal, right? There's a noisy area over here, so I'm assuming that we're going to find some support at around 5,002. We're at 7,007, so not too far away. Actually, no, it's quite far, to be honest. Another 30%. Oh my god. So but anyway, for BNB against USDT, we still have targets towards the downside. 173, 122 targets, which we got since November. We remain loyal to our targets. We still think that there's more downside. All the developments that have been happening for BNB has been bearish, right? We keep getting mountains, zip down, right? Mountains, zip down, right? At the same time, you can also draw a line across. This, you can also call it a head and shoulders, but we're anticipating more downside for BNB. I don't think BNB is going to start reversing anytime. Of course, I could be wrong, but I think BNB is going to drop 173, potentially, towards 122. We may even drop to double digits just for a little while, just a deep zip before heading back up. So this, let's say for example, if you were to drop to double digits, would be a good opportunity, in my opinion. Of course, I could be wrong, in my opinion, to pick up some BNB, right? Because I'm a very heavy user of Binance, so BNB has a special discount for using BNB for payments, right? And it's helmed by a gangster, so we kind of like that, right? We want people who are assertive and tough, because this is a very brutal industry, right? You will be facing barrages of attacks from all sides, and you have to be strong and courageous and to be able to withstand the attacks, right? And CZ has been doing well so far, so I kind of respect him for that. But anyway, we still have downside targets, and we think that this could be a bargain for us, but we will have to see how things go. So that's our thoughts for it. XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. We still think that these 2 lows are going to be taken out. Every time we go above the skinny pink line, we get slapped back down. We attempted to break above, failed. Now we're back down. More downside. Again, this is looking to me like a potential right shoulder, right? We could be heading lower. Again, the noisy area is over here, so potentially another 40%, 30-40% more for XRP. I don't have any hard targets for XRP, but I'm aware that there is support, strong support over here at around sub 1,000. We're at 1,005, so this is going to be a little bit more brutal than usual, right? 40%. That's a lot. And XRP against USDT, we still have targets towards the downside at 16 cents. Could we be wrong? Of course. Because XRP just starts zipping up, of course. But it has to zip up first. Again, we're going to remain loyal to our targets over here at 16 cents, right? I don't know of anyone else who calls for 16 cents XRP. But again, we've called this way back in December. December, we've had these targets. And we still remain loyal to our targets at this point of time. If we were to complete a symmetrical triangle over here, right? A, B, C, D, E, breakout. And if you were to take out these highs at around 94 cents, yeah, the moment we hit 94 cents, we're going to switch to full-on bull for XRP, right? XRP is poised to do really, 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 really well. I'm very interested in XRP, but I would like to get it at a lower rate if possible, right? For example, if let's say, for example, at 46 cents, you could get, let's say, 1,000 XRP, right? It would be more awesome if you could get it over here, right? You could get minus 65% more at the bottom, right? Okay, my maths is a bit off, but the point is you can get more at the bottom, right? But again, no guarantees that XRP is going to do well. We expect it to do well eventually. We can't say for sure, but yeah, again, I still think XRP is going to drop to 16 cents, and our truck is here. Our truck is waiting. If and when it drops to 16 cents, our truck will be ready. We will be ready to pick up a truckload of XRP. Cardano, what's up, Charles? ADA against BTC. Here we are for ADA. Not looking good. We still expect it to take out 786. We're heading towards 786 though, to be honest. Another 23%. Yeah, but we kind of like the big picture. Do you see this? Very nice A, very nice B, very nice C. We're kind of respecting the skinny pink line. So the trend is your friend. While the trend is still bearish, we remain with our bearish bias for ADA against BTC. If and when it's time to see a reversal, we will know. How would you know? You will see buying pressure over here. Phew. Was there a clue before this happened? Yeah, this was the clue that came in. We zipped down, we went sideways for a while, zip up, got slapped down, but eventually zip, zip, woo! So we could get the same thing over here. But we're just still not entirely sure yet where the bottom is. The bottom was over here. So for ADA BTC over here, where's the bottom, right? If you're going to expect 76 to be hit, are we going to stop at 76? I don't know. I can't say for sure. Were there any signs of a reversal for ADA BTC eventually? Yeah, something like inverse head and shoulders. Do you see this? Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, zip up. Right. Could we get something over here as well? Sure. Would it be wise to wait for a bullish reversal? Sure. Sure, of course. Would be much safer. ADA against USDT. Yeah, we've already kissed the skinny pink line. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. Do I think we're going to take this low out? Again, I don't know. I can't say for sure. I don't know how much lower ADA is going to go. Right, I don't have any clear targets. Could we go to sub 20 cents? Maybe 19 cents, 18 cents? Yeah, sure. Strong support will be found around sub 20 cents. We're at 28 cents right now. So again, if you were to drop, let's say 20-30% for ADA BTC, you could expect about 30-40% for ADA USD. So potentially more downside. I can't say for sure. We could still start zipping up from here. But if we were to start zipping up, we will need to see clear bullish reversal chart patterns. You know, it would be great if we could go sideways for a while first before heading back up. Right. Build the base for the rocket launch towards the upside. But we just don't see it yet. So we're not going to rush into anything for ADA. Not at this point of time. Dogecoin. Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Any clear signs of reversal? No. We took out these lows. Things are very bearish. I could count 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could we see some sort of a reversal? Sure. But yeah, it's just not clear at this moment. You know, we could still hit much lower for DOGE BTC. Okay, no clear targets. Yes, we oversold. Yes, there could be a strong rally coming on. But yeah, it's just unclear to us. DOGE against USDT. We have 2 targets. 2.7 cents and 2.2 cents, right? Again, this was a very nice head and shoulders that came. We broke out of it, and here we are. Here we are. We're forming like mountain ranges again. Again, this could be a continuation, right? Bearish continuation towards the downside as we head towards 3 cents and potentially 2 cents. Again, we are not entirely sure at this point of time. Once we start seeing more clear mountains, then yeah, we can call for yes. More likely we're gonna drop. But yeah, at this point of time, we could still start switching bullish, right? If you look at DOGE against USDT, sorry, DOGE against USDT perpetuals, right? If we were to look at it from a bullish perspective, this would be the falling channel. We broke out of the falling channel. Again, we got something like a falling channel again. We could still zip up from here. For sure. But we still need to see buying pressure coming for Dogecoin against USDT. No buying pressure. We're not going to come into anything yet. Not at the moment, yeah. Just break higher. Break above the resistance line. Take out these highs. Just take out the right shoulder. We consider this as invalidated. And then, yeah, we could do something like that. For sure. But we still need to see this happen. Right. Buying pressure has to come in. No buying pressure. No longs. No longs, baby. No longs. Moving on would be Solana. Sol against BTC. Sol BTC. Yes, sir. There was a strong rally that came. But I don't like what I see because we are rallying at the support. This is not good. This is not good because I feel like this rally is going to eventually end with a second mountain over here. Or maybe a little bit higher. Again, I can't say for sure, but I don't like what I'm seeing for Sol BTC. Because this could be a preparation for a descending triangle. Big one as we head towards 2000. Right. Could we be wrong? Of course. Break above the skinny pink line convincingly. Maybe form a descending triangle, but go the opposite direction, right? This would be great. But again, we still need to see the buying pressure coming in before we make a move, right? Because we could still hit very, very low for Sol BTC. So no commitments yet until we see clarity. We want to see clarity for Sol BTC first. Sol USDT, here we are for Sol USDT. So if we were to anticipate Sol BTC to start forming mountains, then Sol USDT should be forming mountains as well, right? Again, this could be the base, the support. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, we hit lower. Yes. Moreover, over here, you can already see that this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. We could be at the very, very end of the move, right? There could still be another zip up, but I feel we're very close to the end. I can count 5 waves here. Is this the end? We're not too sure. We're not too sure. It's not really looking good to me. Oh my god. No, it's not really looking that good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Yep. Nope, it doesn't look good. Again, how will we change our bias to bullish? Yeah, break above the skinny pink line. Take out the right shoulder over here of the head and shoulders. Take out the right shoulder. We'll consider this as largely invalidated. And yeah, zip up to more likely than not $100, triple digits. But yeah, very likely if we were to zip up to $100, we'll probably have some consolidation before heading higher. This is where we make a move. But we will be careful, right? Because we still have our downside target and we are at the skinny pink line. And we're still not entirely sure, so proceed cautiously. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10 crypto TA. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!